Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you and your family are doing fantastic. Today I am in my downstairs bathroom. I am going to do a decor update. I hope you are looking forward to seeing it. The first update that I'm going to show you is this wall art that I added in the bathroom. You guys have seen it before. It used to be in my dining room and now I just put it here. These curtains, although they are glam, but they are regular shower curtains. This time I am going to double up on my curtains using these regular curtains from Amazon. Here they are, going up all the way to the ceiling. I added these super cute tie backs that I purchased from Amazon. The curtain rods and the hooks are also from Amazon. Today's video is sponsored by a very special company, David Archy on Amazon. Ladies, today I am going to show you a product that is good for the men in your life. And for you, my male Glam Squad, today is the day. I got you. Let me introduce you to the men's dual pouch underwear by David Archy. So this is the bags that it came in. It's really nice, really sleek, better than the plastic that we normally get when we purchase men's underwear, and it says David Archy on top of it. The slogan is one floor, one life. Inside the bags has 4 underwear. Here they are, okay? So what's so special about this underwear? They have a dual packet. So I'm gonna turn it inside out so you can see what I'm talking about. This is one packet and this is the other packet. So this way everything will have their own zip code, keeping them separated, so there will be no need for adjustment, which makes it very comfortable. It's very breathable. It has an opening to let air in, so that will prevent stickiness and keeping the area dry. The fabric is 82% micromidal and 8% spandex. It is very stretchy. It feels really soft and really comfortable. It is a great piece for working out and for people who like to play sports and athletes and things like that. It is really good as well if you sit in the office all day working at your desk. So it is a very comfortable piece as well. Don't take my words for it. I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna let you hear from the people that had the opportunity to give it a try. The first person, Mr. Ryan. So Mr. Ryan, what are your thoughts on the underwear when you tried them out the other day? Did you like them?
I loved it.
Oh, you loved it?
Yes.
Was it comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Regular comfortable or more comfortable than usual?
More comfortable than usual.
Okay. What are your thoughts on the David Archy underwear?
I really like them. They're actually very comfortable. They are stretchy and not too tight.
What are your thoughts on the dual packet?
It's a good feature, I guess. You know, I'm still getting used to it.
Okay. So, would you buy it? Okay.
Would I buy it at the store? Absolutely.
For me, based on just touching them and looking at them, they look very good, comfortable, and very stretchy. And as I mentioned, they feel really silky to the touch. They have some really beautiful colors. Here they are on the Amazon website. So guys, I'm gonna leave the Amazon link for the underwear in the description box, including the link for the David Archy website. Please check it out. Today I have a beautiful assistant, my little diva, my niece, Taryn, who's gonna be helping me out. On top of the toilet, I have a vase from Hobby Lobby and some flowers from Amazon. On the vanity, I am going to have some beautiful greenery from Amazon, and the vase is from Macy's Backstage. To keep everything organized, on the other side, I'm going to be using this mirror tray from HomeSense. I'm going to keep it super budget friendly by using soap and lotion dispensers from the dollar store. And then I am going to glam them up. I am going to take this moment to say, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. My good friends, if you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thank you so much for stopping by today. Also, I am going to have a candle on the tray. It is from Z Gallery. I'm going to show it to you later when I do the reveal. Meanwhile, let me show you guys the towels that I am going to use. I got these towels, I think, from TJ Maxx. I am not going to use the design portion of it because I want all white towels. I am only going to display the white portion. I went to Marshall the other day. I saw these hand towels. I thought they were so pretty. I love the design at the bottom and the French look.
Esa falda era muy fea, porque sus celos nunca.
We are done. This is the finished result.
Me controlaba todas las noches, noches en vela, con sus peleas, con mi persona y la botella. Yo te quiero, pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues, pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Yo te quiero, pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve. Y si sigues, pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Solo quiero ser no lo que quiera. Solo quiero ser.
Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friend, your family member. A big thank you to David Archy for supporting today's video. Guys, we need company like David Archy to support our channel, to support this growing family. They have other things other than underwear. Please show them some love. Their links is in the description box. Thanks to my beautiful niece for helping me out today. Remember to show her some love. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. So if you have not subscribed, please do so right now. And remember to turn on your notification bell. Love always. Bye-bye.